If you need to cancel a pending transfer at United Community Bank of North Dakota, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your United Community Bank online banking account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. View pending transfers. In the transfers section, look for an option that allows you to view pending transfers. Click on it to see a list of all transfers that have not yet been completed. Step 4. Select the transfer to cancel. Identify the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Click on it to view the details and look for a cancel option or button associated with that transfer. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After selecting the cancel option, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Review the information and confirm the cancellation to complete the process. If you follow these steps, you should be able to successfully cancel a pending transfer. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance.